Do you have people in your life that can hold you at that vision, that allow you to dare to dream, that allow you to be, that see that in you and ask you the right questions? Or are you surrounded by people that shut you down, call you delusional, roll their eyes? That's something I've had in the past. Like, this is super important. And remember, the right people are actually amplifying that vision for you, amplifying the dream. So it really is about daring to dream and then having the conviction on that path, the conviction, whilst at the same time honouring your neurodiversity, honouring the fact that you have lots of interests and you're interested in different things, and you might shift and you might change and you might pivot, but the ultimate dream is still the ultimate dream. So it is allowing yourself to be exactly who you are with your neurodiversity, with your sensitivities, whilst maintaining conviction to the dream, to the vision, okay? It is both. And this is true of anything that we are navigating in life, okay? We pendulum swing between one and the other. And these many things that we pendulum swing between also stop us heading towards our dream, because we start to sabotage, and then we become delusional and we work towards the dream, and we're like on the track, and then the sabotage pattern will come in, or the victim mentality will come in, or we'll feel we're not worthy, or something will happen, and we'll end up with this kind of like push-pull and inconsistent energy towards our dream, towards our goal. And this will ultimately slow us down, because we're not just like, okay, the train's on the tracks, I'm making some minor adjustments, I'm tweaking that compass direction by 1%. It's like we've pushed ourselves like completely off the tracks, okay? So daring to dream is about balancing like both of these and ending up in this kind of middle state where it's this and this. I'm delusional and I'm staying true to my purpose, and I shift and pivot and I'm true to my purpose, okay? So we do have to dare to dream. So I've given the geeky information around this and the neuroscience around why this is, but on a frequency level as well. This also comes into both high energy, low energy, and perceived negative and positive emotions as well, because that dream is about the feelings that you feel in this dream. And there's so much focus on the law of attraction, create a vision board, get the vision, see the vision, but a big piece of this dream is the feeling. And to keep it really simple, all we are really searching for want of a better word, is a feeling. So if you can evoke that feeling in you now, the joy, the flow, the calm, the peace, what would it take in this moment to feel joy? What would give you joy? You might be having a dance in your kitchen. It might be putting a blanket around you. You might be having a cup of tea. Mine's got cold, so I have to make a new one. What would evoke that feeling now? Because it is your feeling that is going to open up that pathway, that timeline to your dream. The only thing we really need to do to shift onto our highest timeline is say, what would bring me joy right now? What would bring me pleasure right now? What would bring me peace right now? And doing the thing.